Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to create this beautiful, tall, large wedding centerpiece for large table between 10 to 12, maybe even more people around the table. Okay, let's start to create that beautiful, large reception centerpiece together. I would like to show you how to create your foam in Lumidish large, and two foam I put back to back, and you have to cross it with tape, floral tape, that it's waterproof floral tape. Also, to start our arrangement, I am showing one little technique. I'm gonna put this heavy to be large arrangement on top of something that is high, because we are working to cover all this area. So this way I can see better and I can work easier. We start with beautiful hydrangea, white or any color. I had white in our inventory today, so I will start with white. You will cut above the knot always. You make sure they are nice and good shape. You are going to cover your container as much as you can. I will go with more above the knot. This arrangement you can use for any table 10 to 12 people. So it's going to be nice and big to create beautiful centerpiece that everybody around the table can communicate easy, because it goes on top of pedestal and it's high enough for everybody to enjoy. Hydrangea, make sure they are fully opened, and use some on top. On top, because we want this arrangement to be big, so go center and go around again. We are creating nice, good dome shape. So with dome shape, you have very beautiful, nice centerpiece. This is structures of our design. With structures, we can go any shape that we want. Stocks are very nice, and I'm sure bride and groom or everybody will enjoy beauty, the smell of these flowers. You can use different color. Color coordination is very important for our design. We wanted to make sure all colors are beautifully complete each other. So I use white today, but not necessarily all reception arrangements are white. Now I am going to use some roses. Roses that I use, they are Colombian white. So you make sure they are open nicely. You take the guard out. One by one, very slowly, you bring all petals. You put one finger under and you bring it down. Make sure you don't fold your petals, or you don't bend your petals, or you don't break them. Just very softly bring them out. when they are open nice, they look better. So I want these roses to go in between all my hydrangeas and stock. So try to create a nice, good dome shape, large and beautiful, but make sure also all flowers, they show their beauty and their individuality. So face out. And you see how beautiful they open, just like gardenia. Covering mechanic. This part is very important. Gorgeous, beautiful roses. They are not pure white. They are a little, have some color in it. Maybe that's why they are so beautiful. I have beautiful kale also. And kale is like rose. They are coming closed, but you want it to, little by little, go inside and open them. They are beautiful, they last long, and unfortunately they are seasonal. Around summer, spring and summer, we have a lot of kale, all different color. They are coming pink, purple, white, beige, like this color. Here. Okay. I have a spray roses. We are covering some holes that I have everywhere. So spray roses are very nice also to use. They cover mechanic very good. When they open, actually, if you leave them out of refrigerator night before, they open very nicely. Spray roses are very useful, very nice. They cover mechanic a lot and holes. You use them as a filler. You just go look around and find a hole and cover all area. Especially you make sure back and front are same and side, because this is round and people around the table, they like to see everything similar. It's very important and essential, of course. I like to put one more hydrangea in this area. I think I wanted to cover everything. Cover my mechanic. Okay, nice and round everywhere, same. Okay, if you see this nice large arrangement, if you remember, it was on top of pedestal for tall centerpiece for reception. Now it's on regular, any kind of container as a ceremony that can go any area in ceremony area for closing the aisle or altar arrangement, or even you can put it flat on the table as a short centerpiece that it's not blocking the view. It's big enough to serve about 12 people around round table. This arrangement is very beautiful, very versatile. This centerpiece, I should say, very versatile. You can use it in any event, on food table, buffet table, fruit table, any area that you want, signature table. If you like to learn technique about this arrangement more, or one person to person, please register at minadesignschool.com or subscribe this channel.